Well, the frequency of workplace evaluations is kind of interesting. If you actually look at what the regulation calls for, it says that an inspection, using the sort of older terminology, is to be done at an interval that prevents the accumulation of hazards. Well, there really isn't a specified amount of time. What we find generally is most companies default to about a monthly kind of interval where they will even refer to it as a monthly safety tour. And what we're trying to explain to them is that isn't a one-size-fits-all type of approach. Certainly in larger facilities, you may have parts of that facility where once a month isn't nearly frequently enough. If you go out and you're doing a workplace safety tour and you're finding 20, 25, 30 items, to me that's evidence that you haven't been there frequently enough. Correspondingly, you may also have parts of your facility where you never find anything going wrong, and yet you're going back there routinely all the time. And really what we're talking about here is taking your resources, your already limited resources in terms of safety, and focusing them where they're going to get the best return on your investment of time and resources. Sometimes when we're looking at frequency of doing evaluations, what we're talking about is how quickly does your world change. For example, in the construction industry, their world changes pretty quickly. And you'll find on many construction jobs, they're actually doing a detailed, formalized workplace evaluation daily or weekly, because that's just how quickly their world changes. The hazards change, the nature of the work changes. So we really want supervisors and companies to understand that they have to set their own interval based on what they've found historically, but also how quickly the hazards and the workplace is changing over a given period of time.